Now, right now, as I'm doing this video, the NEO stock price, as seen on the screen, it's up 7%, which is something that is very exciting. Now, by the time I upload this video, of course, the share price might be somewhere else. But right now, as I'm doing this video, the NEO stock price is up 7%. I mean, when you look at the other EV stocks, you'll notice that Leoro is up 3%, XPeng is up 2%, Rivian is up 1.4%, Lucid 0.4%, Zika 0.6%, then you've got Tesla at 0.8%. Now, NEO, like I said, it's doing very, very well today, which is something that is very exciting to see because look, this stock this week, it was not, yeah, we did not do that well, but seeing NEO finishing the week very strong, it's something that is exciting. I mean, how can it not respond like this after we are seeing so many big financial institutions coming and reiterating buy ratings, upgrading their price target onto NEO? I mean, they are saying, or they are doing so because of the latest developments that we are currently seeing, especially coming from the ONVO L90. I mean, in previous video we're talking about, or one of the videos I did today, we talk about JP Morgan increasing their price target from $4.10 to $4.80. And right now, someone just sent me a picture of course, Macquarie, as seen on the screen, increasing their price target onto NEO from $3.90 to $5.50. They've upgraded their sentiment from neutral to outperform, and they are basing this from the ONVO L90, or they are basing this off the ONVO L90, which they say the decision came right after NEO launched their new ONVO L90 SUV, which Macquarie analysts describe as a potential blockbuster and possibly NEO's most competitive offering to date. This is something that is great, and seeing, of course, the share price reacting like this. I mean, if so many of the big financial institutions right now, they are coming, changing the sentiment, upgrading or increasing the price target onto NEO because they see the massive potential, or they realize the massive potential that lies within NEO. And this gives me the courage, the confidence to go in the market and load the board, because they now see the picture that we've been seeing for quite some time. The sentiment that we've been sharing, or the sentiment that I've been bringing on this channel, they are now seeing it, which is absolutely great. This is why I like investing onto NEO for the long term. Now, before, of course, we continue unpacking some of these great news and the share price, please like this video if you enjoy the content that I'm giving you. Subscribe. That's if you've not subscribed to the channel, because NEO still tells me that some of you guys have not subscribed to the channel, and therefore I will humbly ask you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that at least you get to be notified by YouTube. You don't miss the content that I drop on a daily basis about NEO, because whether the naysayers come and tell you bad stuff about NEO and all that, we know we are going to the moon. We know we will head back to the all-time high of $66.99. And therefore, it is a great opportunity, or now it is a good opportunity to go in the market and load the board, because blue sky is indeed coming. Now, back to the video. This is what we are seeing today. Seeing the share price of NEO at least recovering like this today, it gives me the confidence that, you know what, we will do very well. It's still the beginning. The market was just taking a breather, and of course it will try to find the legal news that it can find to try to bring the share price down. And some of the news that really brought or dropped the share price a bit were the news of the battery shortages that we had from the ONVO, about the ONVO L90 last week, and that sort of like made the share price of NEO to not perform that well. But let me tell you something, based off what we are seeing from both comments made by the ONVO president Shenfei, from the pictures that we've been seeing on the streets of social media, it looks like things will continue to improve for ONVO. And this is why most of the big financial institutions, in fact all analysts that are coming to weigh in their options or weigh in their sentiments with price target onto NEO, they are all coming and singing one song: blue sky is coming. Which is why they are raising their price target, which is why some are even, or most of them are even, changing their sentiment from neutral to overweight, or some from sell to neutral, because they see the potential that lies within the NEO that we are seeing now. So I like what I see, man, and this is what is making these big financial institutions to come and reiterate buy ratings onto NEO, because they see the potential that lies within NEO. They see the massive fundamentals that are surrounding NEO right now, which is absolutely great, which is amazing, and it gives us the confidence to say that, look, the blue sky that we have been waiting for, now the other big fishes are seeing it also. It might be time that it is indeed really coming. This is something that I am positive. This is something that I'm confident of, because at the end of the day, we've been waiting for it and it might be finally here. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, long term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Look, man, it takes me some time to make videos like this, and all I ask from you is to give it a thumbs up so that at least it can be spread out by YouTube to as many people as possible. Because all day, every day, I give you news, latest content, and whether the share price is down 10%, whether the share price is up 10%, every day you do receive the content, or I make sure that I'm dropping new content all day, every day, so that at least you're up to date as to what is happening around NEO. And on this video, we are talking about how the share price of NEO is performing relative to or compared to the other new energy vehicles company, which is absolutely great to see NEO doing the most today. And yeah, more and more big fishes are gonna come and load the boat onto NEO, because they realize the massive potential that lies within NEO. They see the clear picture, they see the bigger picture, not just the picture of insurance registrations, but the picture of NEO getting to profitability in Q2, which is what the NEO CEO has been saying since Q1, to say that, look, profitability is coming in Q4. In fact, from Q4 earnings, right, which came around March of this year, they say blue sky is coming, profitability is coming, and finally, we are seeing a lot of big financial institutions also seeing this to be true and going to come to pass very, very soon. So like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you on the next one, my dear friends. That is all from me, and God bless you all.